The online e-learning modules show you how to use the Rainfall to Pasture Growth Outlook tool and understand main concepts and outputs used in the tool. The station overview page is a good place to start from. It provides you with all the detailed information for your selected weather station. The information here helps you assess the impact of climate on pasture growth and plan your grazing enterprises to maximise profit for your location. The table at the top of the screen describes where the station is located and provides general information about the area's climate. You can access the station overview page by clicking on the View Station link in the pop-up window on the map, or by logging in and clicking on one of the stations in your My Weather Stations list. If you've already selected a station, you can also click the Station Overview menu item at the top of the screen. The at-a-glance graph lets you quickly inspect how rainfall, soil moisture and pasture growth is tracking in your area. You may wish to check this page weekly. Any large changes may mean that you need to review the Outlook data to see if you need to change your management plans. You can find the at-a-glance panel on the Rainfall to Pasture Growth Outlook tool's Station Overview page. The at-a-glance graph is displayed near the top of the page. A guide to interpreting it can be found below the graph. You can change the comparison period, for example the last 9 months or from January the 1st this year, by clicking on the tabs at the top of the page. The PDF button will create a PDF of this page which you can print or save as required. As with all station pages in the Rainfall to Pasture Growth Outlook tool, the Add Station and Make Home will add the current station to your personalised list or make it your home station. This graph shows the accumulated rainfall to date in millimetres and the current soil moisture and current pasture growth indexes from either January the 1st of the current year or over the last 9 months, depending on the option chosen at the top of the page. The axis on the left shows percentiles, which is a way of comparing current values to the historical record. Percentiles and indexes are explained in greater detail in Module 3, Annual Patterns. For this weather station at Ernabella, you can see 2 things. First, that accumulated rainfall over the past 9 months has been below average. Secondly, current indexes for the latest week show that recent soil moisture and potential pasture growth conditions are in fact better than average compared to historical records for that week. This suggests that there's been recent significant rainfall event at this site, which whilst not discernible in the accumulated rainfall to date bar, has lifted current soil moisture levels and potential pasture growth. The patterns of rainfall, soil moisture and pasture growth index in this analysis provide you with a quick overview, but also provides clues as to which other outputs in the tool should be viewed to help you explore what this might mean for future pasture growth potential. This will be explained in the modules 3 and 4. This concludes the at-a-glance module. For more information regarding specific resources available through the Rainfall to Pasture Growth Outlook tool, refer to the other modules in the Rainfall to Pasture Growth Outlook tool e-learning series or visit rainfall.mla.com.au/help.